Alright, so got this pretty cool guy, Ryder. He's about 6 months old. He's been everywhere, done everything, and he's ready to go to a home. So he's really cool. Holy bud. Perfect active family dog. He's been around horses, cattle, goats, people, dogs. He likes to play with other dogs, and he's really well trained. He's got off leash, on leash, and a great house dog. So here, we'll show him off a little bit. Ryder, come. Good boy. Yes. Good, Ryder. Heel. Good. Get in there. Sit. Good. Heel. Good boy. Come on. Good. Heel. Good. Yep. Good. Heel. Good boy. Ryder, sit. Good. Down. Good boy. Ryder, come. Sit. Good. Heel. Good. Excellent. Heel. Good boy. Come on, bud. Good. Ryder, sit. Down. He's got some cool tricks. Down. He's got roll over. Good boy. Down. We're working on his bang. 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 Good boy. Bang. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Sit. Yep. Good. Sit. Yes. Good boy. Ryder. Good boy, buddy. Yeah. Out. Yes. Good. Good boy. Ryder, come. Good boy. Sit. Good.